guys, welcome back to my channel. So guys, Selin, if you're new to my channel, you're most definitely welcome. We do it. If you have not subscribed, please do go ahead, hit the subscribe button, and as well hit the notification bell. So with that, you've been if you want to have a new video on my channel. And with that being said, thank you. Hey guys, hey what's good, what's popping? So guys, I'm back with another makeup tutorial, and I really love the way this look turned out, especially my inner corner. I decided to glitter a little bit to the guts. You know how we do it. The seasons around the corner for glitter, bling 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 bling. So yeah, and it's kind of brownish bronze eye makeup look, doing a hello eye look, because I didn't expect that the glitter is going to be pop 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 sad. So when I apply it on my lid, I noticed, girl, you can play around this glitter that much. Yeah. Anyway, if you're interested, you want to see how I come up with this look, you really want to do, just stick around and enjoy it. Don't forget to do what makes you happy. Stay pretty and stay blessed. I'm going to see you all in my next video. Take care of you. Ciao. Mwah.
You can't love. We should have never let this go. No, we were the catch on the summer nights, kids in the street that got it right. Every time I felt to let go, every time I felt to let go. Wasting it all for him, don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let it go. It's not too late. Just show little faith this time. You can knock me down, but I'll find a way. She said you don't know. She said you don't know. If this is what you want, if you wanna go, I'll have to go and let it breathe. But I'll be waiting here, you see. I don't know if everything will be alright. Sometimes you gotta let go, 'cause I gotta let you go.
Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives was wrong to say. I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past. But every little now and then it creeps on back to shade my smile.
You can knock me down, but I'll find a way. She said you don't know. She said you don't know. Eyes wide, tongue tied, midnight. You can say all that you want, but you and I were meant for this. You know, sometimes we hide behind this illusion that we're done. Oh, please see that you're wrong in this. I don't fall in love 'cause I'm here tonight. I don't wanna say it, but it just feels right. I took a pill just to pass the time. I wanna stay at the back of your mind. Wasting it all for him, don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let this go. It's not too late. Just show little faith this time. Just show little faith this time. I still feel like you lied about the way that you can't love. We should have never let this go. No, we were the catch on the summer nights, kids in the street that got it right. Every time I felt to let go, every time I felt to let go. Wasting it all for him, don't get me wrong, but I'm done with these games. But I'll hold on to faith. You and I are stuck on this. I can't seem to let this go. It's not too late. Just show little faith this time. You can knock me down, but I'll find a way. She said you don't know. She said you don't know. If this is what you want, if you wanna go, I'll have to go and let it breathe. But I'll be waiting here, you see. I don't know if everything will be alright. Sometimes you gotta let go, 'cause I gotta let you go.